Hi, I'm Brandi Richardson with MU Extension. I work in the southwest region of the state. And today on Quarantine, we are going to make magical fruit salad. The reason I chose this recipe is because it's very important for us to eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. And it's also very important that we eat lots of different colors of fruits and vegetables. We need to eat a rainbow. And so what I have is our finished project, and I'm going to tell you how I put it together. First, we start by washing all of our fruits and even our bananas, because we want to make sure that anything that's gotten on them in the store or anything like that gets washed away even before we peel them. We make sure we wash our hands really well before we start. We're going to start by slicing up our bananas, having them to the side, and then we will use our pudding mix. We chose lemon pudding mix for this, and dump it in. Add our 1 3/4 cup of milk and use a whisk to mix that up. Then we're going to add in all of our other fruit. We're going to take our grapes and make sure all the stems are all off of them, add our bananas, and add our pineapple chunks that we have drained, okay? I also added in frozen strawberries because I love frozen strawberries and I think they make a great fruit salad. This would be a great dish to make for Mom this Mother's Day weekend. So you guys have a good time, and we'll see you next time.